How to check your Western Union transfer. Western Union is a money transfer service that allows users to send and receive money across borders. To check the status of your Western Union transfer, you can follow these steps. Via online, visit the Western Union website. Navigate to the Track Transfer or Track a Transfer section. Then enter your tracking number, MTCN, and any required details, such as the sender's or receiver's name. Click Track Transfer to view the status. Via app, download the Western Union mobile app. Log into your account. Use the Track Transfer feature and provide the required details, MTCN. Call Western Union's customer service or visit a nearby agent location. Provide your MTCN, sender's name, and other relevant details to get the transfer status. Western Union charges a fee to send money, which can vary depending on the sending and receiving method. Thanks for watching.